especially in classics. This particular car, 2001 Saleen. Just kidding, did I get you there? This is a Saleen. Coupe, S281 supercharged. This particular car would be one of 243 supercharged coupes that were made by Saleen back in 01. It is bumper 599. Now, of course, if you ask me how did they only make 243 and this is bumper number 599, well, that sequential numbering went throughout their Mustang line, so it would be coupes, convertibles, supercharged, non-supercharged. So that is how that works. This particular one, silver clear coat metallic. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the underside of this car, interior, trunk, probably over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a close look up, or take a close look at this front fascia, which would be part of Saleen's aerodynamics package that you would get on the new Edge body style. As you can see, it's pretty free of nicks, scratches, as well as up on the hood. Now this, as you can see, is a heat extractor hood. Nice luster to it, reflection of the lights ceiling above me, and that is a functional heat extracting hood. Riding on the Saleen chrome wheels, the way this would have came, and then of course more of the aerodynamics package along the side and around the rear fascia. Interior, charcoal leather, 5-speed manual on the floor. We'll get around the interior, go through that a little closer here in a bit when I get around and start it up for you. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. If you got a quick look at the inside, you notice the shift ball would be different than the Momo shifter this would have came with. This door has actually been replaced. Those two items, as well as the net, as far as the cargo net and the trunk, they're there with the car. So there's pictures of it also. The rear gears were also changed in this car. It's a little quicker out of the hole. 410s are in it. The original gears are in a box, will go with the car. So I want to let you know that those are there, and you can check those out in the still pictures. This is Borla Exhaust. Paint condition on this car all the way around it, nice shape. This would be the correct spoiler that would have came on this car also from Saleen in 01. You can take a look up and down the passenger and driver's side. Both are free of door dings, nicks, scratches. I mean, granted, the car is what, 20 years old now. You may find a few imperfections here and there, but overall, paint is in extremely well maintained condition. Now underneath this car, take a look at the underside pics. You're going to notice racecraft suspension, which is going to be some different sway bars underneath there, shocks, springs, lowered some. Take a look at the still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see what I'm talking about when you look at those underside pictures. Do a little research on Saleen. You'll find out what they did with the suspension also. Nice handling cars. All right, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, door panels, all original. Saleen floor mat still in the car. And as you can see, seats, here's your charcoal leather seats. Now once again, if you've watched any of my videos in the past, these seats, nice condition. You see some wrinkling on there. That's the way the natural wear of the leather is going to be. Again, that bolster. Seats are in nice condition. This car's got a little over 40,000 miles on it. And it shows. As far as the paint and the interior, well taken care of. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Great sounding car. Whine of the supercharger. Dual exhaust, especially with Borlas on it. Alright. I don't know if you can see that with the glare of the miles, but 40,016 is what it is. A little aftermarket gauge cluster up here with boost and like that. The only light that's on here down there, that is the seatbelt light. No other warning indicators, anything like that. Get an idea how nice that Borla exhaust sounds on this one too. So let's go ahead. And by the way, it is the Mach system, of course, in the new Edge. That 6 CD changer. The rear seats hardly look like they've been sat in. Again, interior condition very nice. Headliner, all the way you'd expect it should be. Nice throaty growl out of that 4.6 liter supercharged V8, root style blower on it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, give you a good look at the engine bay. So hold on a second. Let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
First of all, with the hood, I want to show you this right here. This is the Saleen heat extractor hood. The root style blower. Power steering, power brakes, AC of course. This would be the 4.6 liter single overhead cam, V8. Of course, intercooler. This line's going there, so intercooler for the supercharger. Nice running car. There you go, folks. Looking for a low production Saleen coupe. Here it is, one of 243. This particular one being number 599 in the Saleen sequence, 2001. Slightly over 40,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.